G'day, Greg Miller from The Joy of Wood. COVID-19's brought about lots of challenges for all of us. We rose to the challenge in many different ways. In amongst the wood and tools which we've been selling, we've also been selling kits for kids. You've probably seen some of these. There's a sword and shield in that tube waiting to be built. Some windmills in there, garden windmills. They're a whole lot of fun. What else we got here? The box of blocks. Here's the new one. Inside, there's a wine box. Something better than wine in here. Inside this, there's all the bits you need for one of these stools. The famous little four-legged stool. We've had hundreds of kids make these in schools and in workshops which we've run. What's really unusual about this one is you don't need a saw to put it together. How's that? We usually like people to have to use all that stuff, but you don't need an Allen key either. What you need is a hammer, some glue, and we recommend a block plane. Everything you need is there in the kit. All the bits of wood are there. We've got the plans, we've got the nails that you need, everything to make this beautiful stool. Now you think, oh, that's too easy, you're just going to hammer that together. But it's got all these angles. That's what makes it a great little woodworking challenge. Such a great stool. Beautiful thing, a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to use. Get the years of life out of this. So don't miss this one. It comes in the box like this, ready to go. You'll find that on our Etsy shop. The address is right here. See you in the workshop.